Hello, I'm Leanne from the Source of Soul, and today I am going to be unboxing my new Blackout. I've run out, and I will also show you how to refill your pouch, your aroma pouch. So this is the Sleep Story Australia Blackout that I use for the boys and for ourselves. So you can see that this is your nozzle, and then you reach in and there's the bottle. So all I do is, or all you need to do is unscrew that, and as you can see it's got a stopper so it doesn't leak, and you just pull that off. And I just cut my nails, pull that off, and it smells so nice. Hello, I'm Leanne from the Source of Soul, and today I am going to be unboxing my new Blackout. I've run out, and I will also show you how to refill your pouch, your aroma pouch. So this is